Kevin probably weighs more.
And he's like, are you filming me? Why are you filming me? What?
Are you getting cranky?
I am not a show pony. He actually gets camera shy.
Camera shy? Don't be camera shy.
Where you going, Bum Bum? The next branch? Come on. Come on. This. Come on. Where are you going? Come on.
Wait.
Put it down.
No.
Foot. Give me foot. Good boy.
Oh,
Use
so
your foot.
clever.
Use your foot. Good boy. Step
Kevin, foot?
up. No, Kevin doesn't know foot. Kevin knows jerk. Be a jerk.
And kiss.
Kisses. Ah, you're a jerk. That hurt. Oh, that one moves. Yeah, you take it out on the leaf.
Go to Bamboo.
You're so handsome.
We're going.
You're not sick. Why?
No story. There she is. She's tricky. You little tricky trick. Can you spot the dory?
Let's go on an adventure, Kevin.
Map.
Kevin and Dory have done more flying than Boomy has. Hi, Dory. She's getting closer. When pink and blue collide, it makes purple.
Dory, don't hang out with Kevin.
He's a bad influence.
He make you do the drug.
He said, "This is my fence."
Go, Bum Bum.
They're actually a pretty good.
Kevin, get off that horse. That's a line now. Everyone quotes
I
it
know.
all the time.
They.
Do they eat it?
Yeah. Hey, Bum. What are you doing?
Stop copying. Oh, Kevin.
Boom, boom.
What you doing, Dory? Playing with Kev. Playing with Kev. What was that?
That's my whistle. Fuck it.
Hello, baby.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Kevin.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where's your mum going, Kevin? Dory, come on. Kevin's calling you. Come on. Come on. He left? Where's he going? Where'd he go? Cowboy Kev. You're a cowboy Kev. Oh, bum bum. What you doing, bum bum? Oh, did that horsey ski? Is that even nice, Boomy?
Boomy, you don't eat lucerne. Fucking weirdo. So I was I'm going into the horse paddock, so if you want to yell at me, you're going to yell at me more.
Run, Dory! Did you get chased by Mickey birds? Hey, bum bum.
He wants what's in the bucket.
Are you scared of Dory?